Hello, we're still on week 15. Just going to talk about day two stuff, mostly final draft stuff and grading particulars and some of the other final assignments. So, submitting a revised and polished P4 draft is important because what you're submitting should be the most streamlined version of your presentation. Not turning this in will impact everyone's grade on the team. Consider presenting in front of a friend or family member to receive outside feedback. They might notice something you forgot. This is your last chance to impress me. Not only that, because this is a writing course, there's no final exam per se, and therefore, project four, in particular, this report, not just all the other little assignments leading up to it, this is your final exam. I'll be grading the final report with a very critical eye. Finish strong like I know you can and keep that ethos going. The final version is due on December 1st on USF Rights and only needs to be uploaded by one person in the group, but everyone in the group will be graded for it. Near the top of the transmittal letter, include the team member names like you did before and a check mark or X next to their name if they contributed. I don't need to know what they contributed, particularly merely that they contributed to revising the final draft in some way. Ideally, each member will have revised 2 or 3 main sections of the report. However, the entire report should be completed once submitted without excuses, regardless of team contributions. You've had to submit individual and group assignments for Project 4, but like I have already detailed, I have another assignment to hold y'all accountable. To measure group dynamics and participation on an individual scale, this project features Project 4 team participation as an assignment. It's a 100-point assignment and it'll be based on progress reports and what I hear and I see from your teammates about your performance, meaning if you contribute or you don't in a big way or small way towards the minor and major assignments, I'll take this into account when entering your points for the P4 participation. I'm not going to penalize your teammates for things you did unless you're the person that was supposed to upload the final draft. That's going to penalize everybody for sure. Otherwise, you didn't turn in, some of the smaller assignments or the exercises. That's on you and you alone. When I'm grading Project 14 participation, I'm looking at what you did or didn't do for something like the team charter, the rougher final draft, the mock collaboration, the image design analysis, things that required some sort of collaboration and acknowledgement from team members, even if you were submitting individually. And this is why it's important to note the check marks on assignments like the rough and final drafts, and why it's important to complete your final assignment titled Self and Team Evaluations. Please evaluate your work, the members of your team, and the team as a whole. Your comments will remain confidential, so please feel free to be as honest as you like, but no name calling or inappropriateness of any sort. Download the template for this assignment in the Canvas assignment and complete the self-team evaluation. Cite some specifics about yourself and your teammates according to the template directions. Once you've completed it, upload the document to USF Rights by December 2nd at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. There's still plenty of extra credit assignments that could help your grade, but not increase it dramatically, such as check out a book, extra credit course evaluation, submit your group project link, Now with the extra credit course evaluation, it's similar to the midterm survey, except that it's USF created. And in order to submit, there's no password. Just take a picture when it says thanks for taking the survey or of the confirmation email and upload this when you finished for 5 points. For the submit your group project link, visit any news or media site that has open submissions. Submit your group project link and adhere to whatever other submission requirements they have. Screen grab your submission or your confirmation email and upload for another easy 5 points. For this assignment, there should be no simultaneous submissions. Translation, you and everyone in your group should be submitting to different news or web sites, different news outlets or websites in order to receive the credit. This is an individual assignment, and what I don't want to see is Eduardo, Adnan, Camilla, like 3 people from the same group, they all submitted to Tampa Bay Times. You should be submitting everyone in the group if you're going to complete the assignment. Make sure other people in your group are going to submit to a different news site or web source that has open submissions. Overall, I hope you've enjoyed this class. While you may have assumed the class is all about writing, professional writing, or ENC 3250, is about teaching you the necessary communication, design, and problem-solving skills to enable the efficient drafting of professional documents. As your instructor, I have some last thoughts for this last module, such as it's been an absolute pleasure to know you and to teach you. In the interim, you've all taught me. I believe in teachers as human. We're certainly not infallible, though some pretend to be. It makes me stronger when I learn from my students while also imparting any nuggets of wisdom. Speaking of, I will leave you with what I tell my kids, and it's a refrain I share with all my classes, AKA my other kids. Life is about 2 things: working hard and helping others. It's not a for sure thing, but this may help you find creativity and happiness. I wish you both and more. Know that if you need an academic reference, I'll be there. Merely email me the request at least a week or 2 prior, along with details on where and when I should send the rec letter and a list or resume of your interests and accomplishments. Email or WhatsApp me with final questions. And now take a break. You deserve it. Laugh a bit with this cat link, a cat bridge challenge. Who doesn't love cats doing silly things? And it's probably going to fall. Okay. Enjoy.